Efficiency in welding is everything. Manufacturing companies strive for efficiency and quality, aiming to minimize post-treatment of weld seams to maximize productivity. That's why welding without spatter is crucial. Introducing Intelligent Spatter Control, the game-changing short-arc welding solution that eliminates welding spatter and its drawbacks. ISC revolutionizes your short-arc welding process, delivering spatter-free results that save you time, money, and effort. Its advanced technology ensures clean, smooth welds, eliminating the need for tedious post-treatment. No more grinding, chipping, or dealing with unsightly spatter marks. The process seamlessly integrates into your existing workflows. It benefits all that rely on MIG/MAG welding and demand superior finish. Experience the power of Intelligent Spatter Control and unlock a new level of efficiency.